Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are solving questions on gradient of a line. So let's solve the given question. Now they said what is the gradient of the line given the point with the coordinates 5, minus 1 in brackets and minus 3, 7 in brackets. So we have to find the gradient of this with the coordinates 5, minus 1 and minus 3, 7. So we know that this first one is x1, y1, x2, y2. And from the formula, we have the gradient m to be equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus what? X1. So now we substitute for each of the value. We have it y2 to be equals to 7. We are having y2 to be equals to 7 minus y1. We are having minus. So we are having 7 minus 1 over x2, we have minus 3, minus x1, x1 is 5, So let's simplify this. We have 7, minus times minus means we are having plus 1 over minus 3 minus 5. So we have this to be equals to 8 over minus 8. So we can call this, we have our gradient equals to minus 1. That means that m equals to what? Minus 1, which is our gradient. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be moving to another part. See you in the next class.